Are you tired of living with joint pain that just won't go away? Curious about Bionic Joints? Here's how they can transform your movement and comfort. Bionic Joints offers advanced, non-surgical treatments designed to reduce pain and restore joint function without the need for surgery. Using regenerative therapies like PRP and other injection-based treatments, these solutions help support the body's natural healing process. The goal is simple: improve mobility, reduce discomfort, and help you get back to living pain-free. Commonly used for knees, hips, and other joints, especially when pain doesn't improve with medication or therapy. Many patients experience not just relief, but a better quality of life and confidence. To learn more or book a consultation, visit our website or contact our clinic today.